Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Aave broke the trend line and might be following this wave 4 wave count now. It's now touched the $91.60 level, which was the is the 23.6 Fibonacci level. Basically the first level of support for this wave 4. Ideally, I would like it to get to around about $81.77, maybe even $74 in this fourth wave, if this is the fourth. I do currently assume it. We should go a little lower to make it clearer. But this micro count I shared with you in the previous video seems to come true. There's still a possibility for it to extend higher to $116. This would have been ideal as well, but reaching the 1.618 extension is fine as well. That's okay. At $109, it touched perfectly this Fib level, which was one of the targets, and I'm very happy for it to start a wave 4. I would like it to go a little lower now, however, to really confirm it, because essentially you see the length of this wave 2. I mean, also in duration, it took like 1.5 months, right? So we want that wave 4 to last at least a few weeks. It already started on the 9th of November, so a few days ago. Would be nice to get a clear wave 4 that gives us the right look. If it turns up from here and doesn't really give us a clear and healthy wave 4, I would still count it as part of a third wave extension. And then the next target is around 116 to 125. Important to understand that below $74, I will start to turn a little bit more bearish. But below $68, which is the 61.8 retracement level, I would argue that, yeah, we have come down too low. Support is breaking. We might have topped in an ABC structure in the wide wave count. And below $68, that would get confirmed for me, or to me. Until then, I'm just watching here for this pullback. The lower we go, the better from a reward to risk point of view. Ideally, it's holding 74. That's the 50% Fib level, even in a diagonal. I'd like it to hold that level, even though we have to give it technically a little bit more space in a diagonal structure. Diagonals are less reliable with regards to the Fibs. So in an impulse, we definitely don't want a wave 4 to go beyond the 50% Fib level. In a diagonal, it's acceptable. So that's what I'm watching here. Now a potential pullback in wave C. It's certainly due. It's not overdue yet, but it's certainly due. And yeah, if we come down a little lower, then this might be wave C of 4. What we can do as well is, first of all, I need to highlight to you that, yeah, I mean, I would focus on this count now to the downside as long as we stay below the B wave high. Any break now above this B wave high at $104.64 would suggest that we are still in a third wave. We're just extending higher. And this is just some kind of a lower degree fourth wave. But to have this main wave 4, we need a little bit more time in this pullback zone. What we can do is also we can take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave. And then if we talk about ideal targets, I mean, the 1-to-1 ratio is at $88, but it's actually too shallow for a healthy wave 4. But we'll see. Either way, $88 is one of the projections. It's one of the levels to watch where we could bounce from. And below that level, the 1.618 extension is at $79.15. Certainly two levels to watch in this corrective phase. So essentially what I'm watching for is, do we stay now below the B wave high? That's the key level against which we can focus on lower in the very short term. And then I would use $68 or $74 to overall still focus on higher prices, which would be this wave 5, which is over here. Yeah, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.